Why Maharashtra governor hasn't decided on nominations to Legislative Council? Bombay High Court sought an explanation on why the governor has still not decided on the nomination of members to Maharashtra Legislative Council, despite the 12 names submitted by Council of Ministers on November 6, 2020. The division bench of Justice S.J. Kathawala and S.P. Tavde also asked the state to set out by when the governor would consider the nominations and dispose of the matter. So, therein, it was directed to the respondent to file an affidavit in reply, setting out reason for not acting on the representations submitted to the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra by the Council of Ministers for nomination to the Maharashtra Legislative Council under Article 171, Subclause 2, Clause E, and Article 171, Clause 5 of the Constitution of India, and by what time the submission of the Council of Minister November 6, 2020 will be considered and disposed of, the bench ordered. He must decide it either way. There is something he has to do. He can't keep it in his drawer, not to see the light of the day. Justice Kathawala said in an off-the-cuff remark after the order was passed on a PIL. The plea alleges that governor, in breach of his constitutional obligation, failed to act on the recommendation of the Council of Ministers and has till date not nominated said 12 members to Legislative Council. The petition notes that Article 171, Clause 5 establishes that the object and purpose of such members to be nominated by the governor to the Legislative Council was that the council would have the benefit of nominees having special knowledge or practical experience in the fields of literature, science, art, and social service. The Honorable Governor malified unconstitutional, arbitrary omission in not making the nomination on the basis of and in accordance with the recommendations made by the Council of Ministers deprives the Legislative Council of the benefit of such nominees having special knowledge. The Honorable Governor wrongful failure to make such nominations to the Legislative Council also necessary affects all citizens of the state of Maharashtra, inasmuch as it deprives the Legislative Council of this constitutional provision. The plea further notes. State Counsel Geeta Shastri then said that if directions are sought against the governor, the secretary to the governor should be made a party. The bench then passed the order seeking an explanation from the state and asked the petitioner to make the required amendment to the petition. Thank you.